Welcome to Kenny's. Today we have a 2015 BMW X3 6-cylinder turbo. This vehicle have transmission issue, check engine light, you scan it, come up with solenoid, transmission solenoid D. When heat up, the vehicle does not move anymore. So I did diagnosis on that, and also I moved the valve valve, transmission valve valve right here. Okay, so just quickly, because I did not make a video when I get it out, but it's so quick, that way you can see what happened. So there's a valve body. Okay, so right here, there's a solenoid, okay, and there's not a solenoid. Okay, we're gonna replace all this solenoid, and also this is a valve cover, transmission cover for the oil pan, just like this gasket, all this stuff. So we're gonna replace the solenoid and show you one by one, and then after this we go from there. So this is when you take this out, just want to make quick thing. Okay, so this is where the cover sits. So this, the valve bar go right here, okay, and there's a socket for the wire. You disconnect from here. So simple, just turn it. Okay, so we're gonna show you this. You clean this up with a nice rag or Kleenex before you put it back together. Okay, you get all the screws here, and it's one solenoid bad, but I recommend you replace all of them. You can buy it online. It's a lot of money. From BMW, they changed the valve body together. It's around $5,000, but you can buy it online somewhere. Maybe I put down the information where you can buy it. Buy the whole kit. I recommend you can replace whole kits. Keep watching, please. Okay, this is the transmission for 2015 BMW X3. Work on it. This is 6-cylinder turbo. This vehicle have hard shaft, so when the vehicle hard does not move. And after I diagnose it, come up with the solenoid D. So solenoid D, they now change one solenoid. So, and from the dealer BMW, they change whole valve body for $4,500, $5,000. So I end up ordering that all the solenoid, transmission solenoid, and so I'm gonna replace all of them. And there's a company, I'm gonna put the name down. You can buy it. You can do it. So the best way to go by color. For example, this is a green. I go with the green, okay. And this orange, you go with orange. White, you go with white. You do one by one. You have to take this out, this bolt out, and I'm gonna put everything on the end of the video. That was so easy to work on for BMW solenoid. So I believe all the 3 series the same, all the stuff. So see this, how come all the colors, see, gray, orange, white, and brand new. And I recommend to do this transmission fluid, of course, and then the filter. This kind of transmission filter come with the oil pan with the gasket, one piece. This is common with the BMW, especially this vehicle have 182,000 miles, and of course the solenoid is gone. Okay, this is valve body back together, everything. So like you say, you see the valve body, the new solenoid. I replaced all the new solenoid, and this put everything back together. And also I just want to, before I forget, there's a harness here. See the harness? You see this little clip? You push it up, will open. After you put it back, just push it down, lock it up. Okay, it's right here. Sorry, my light. No, okay. So this is back together right now, and we have a new transmission oil pan, because I buy it new because this came with the filter all together. Okay, so we're gonna go back in right now, and after this we're gonna pump the fluid, and also I will recommend which fluid to go on there. So just double check the wire. This is the green one. I replaced the green one, replaced this little black one, and white, orange, white. It's just replaced by color, so when you get a new one. And should be all set now. Everything back together. Okay, and now we're going in. Okay, please keep watching. Okay, this vehicle is all set. Okay, and I just want to share this. They recommend this oil transmission. You see, this brand oil. Okay, and there's a 1 liter. It will take 6 minimum, you know, after you drain it. Okay, and also I like to share the codes. So this vehicle, check engine light, was come up P0982 shaft solenoid D. So shaft solenoid D, we replace all the solenoid. You cannot just replace one piece. Okay, so now put some fluid, and I want to show everybody how you put fluid in this. You know, you need a pump. This beautiful car. Okay, so here's a pump I use. Okay, back to left. So before you start it, you gotta put fluid with the pump until drop. Now, after you start the vehicle, then you fill it again. Okay, so we're gonna keep filling it until come from the pump. See? The final fill up has to be, the vehicle has to be on. Before you start the vehicle, put couple quarter until this coming out from this plug. Okay, then after you start the vehicle and refill it again until full all the way. This is because it doesn't have dipstick. So this is a drain plug, and this is a hollow plug right here. See that? The tool is right here. Okay, we'll keep pulling it. Okay, so far this is, I think, 6. Then one more. There you go. We're gonna put one more fluid here, 1 more liter. So all right, so keep watching. Okay, this vehicle all set. This is final step. We'll replace complete transmission solenoid. So the issue is solenoid D. So like, see this here? See. Okay, shafted solenoid D and low. And I end up replace all of them. I bought it and online is fit great, same colors, exactly fit. And now we did transmission fluid, flush, and oil pan with a gasket filter. So this vehicle drive really good now. So now we have to just turn the key on. Okay, so we wanna see the code. So we're gonna clear the light. You can scan it with any scan tools, OBD2. Even for more idea, if you want to get more help, you can just get the code. You can Google it and give you more option. But this is the problem right now. All the BMW is same. Like you said, this vehicle is done. Okay, reason done, clear. We're gonna go back. No code. Oh, you see that vehicle the mileage is 186. The engine good, drive good still. Okay, let's see. No more check engine light. So all set. Thank you for watching, Kenny's. I hope this video will be helpful for any BMW owner. It's easy, you can do it. Just need patience and some time. And transmission fluid I end up putting 8 liters, so 8 liters transmission fluid. Thank you for watching, and I recommend you replace all the solenoid. Don't replace only one, blue or green or black or white or orange. Replace all of them. It's like I think like altogether 6-8 solenoids. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, leave comment down below. I can make more video help much I can for fixing European car.